This is really a proud time for me now that I'm starting as the 22nd president of Limestone. Of course, the inauguration this week isn't when I'm arriving on campus. I've already been here for several months, but that's given me a chance to learn about the campus and really appreciate what all is available and the potential that's here. And it's a great moment of pride. It's the capstone of my career to have the opportunity to come and lead this institution and help Limestone move from Limestone College to Limestone University. It was really an exciting time waiting for the phone call, because I knew the board was meeting at 2:30 on Tuesday. And as I understood, I recognized that the phone number that came in would tell me who was calling. That if I got the job, I'd be seeing David Riggins' phone number likely, or maybe Brandy's. And if I didn't, I'd be getting a phone call from the search consultant that let me know that the other way that it had gone. We knew what time it was, so my wife was actually in the parking lot outside my building waiting. And while I was on the phone to David talking about it, I was getting texts from Kathy wondering why I hadn't called to let her know anything, because she knew it was the right time for this to be coming through. And of course, I'm not going to hang up on the details of the offer and getting the contract signed to let her know. So it took a while before I finally was able to say, I'm on my way out the door, yes, and tomorrow we have to be at Limestone for the press conference. So we got the call late Tuesday afternoon. Wednesday, we drove down and back for that great press conference in Stevenson Dining Hall, the first chance to meet everyone and be introduced as the 22nd president. Really, if you look at where we're going in terms of the future of Limestone as we move from Limestone College to Limestone University, there are 2 or 3 key elements that will make that happen. One is going to be our focus on high-impact learning practices, and this is where you get involved with things like the global experience, undergraduate research, the chance to really get engaged with the community and for students to apply what they're learning there. Another piece of that is making sure that we actually build up our honors program. Limestone should be known for the honors program as much as any team that's out there winning national championships. Now, in addition to that, there's going to be a priority to make sure that we provide real access to Limestone. We've got to focus over the next few years on affordability, and this particularly means that those who are in Cherokee County and surrounding communities know that Limestone is an affordable, accessible option for them. Any of those students who want to study in a faith-based environment should really be open to the notion that Limestone's here for them, and we've got to make sure that we have the scholarship support, annual and endowed, to help make that happen. And I think the other thing you will see over the next years as we move toward Limestone University will be reflected in the improvements to campus itself. Of course, that includes the Pravac complex that's being developed, the Vera Jones Mitchell Finance Lab with the ribbon cutting that's happening, and some things that are underway, including the theater and, of course, the plans for the library and campus center. Clearly, the best thing about Limestone after 9 months here is the welcome and the interaction with the people and the students. The time in the dining hall, the chance for the students who all come up and talk, you get to hear how they're doing in their classes, how their team's performing. You find out a little bit about where everybody's from. Everyone's been very welcoming and really helped arrive and settle in as the 22nd president.